I've looked everywhere to try to find a Lathe Dog to drive this, and I can't wait 2 days for Amazon or something else. So it looks like we're gonna have to make one. Seems like the smallest piece of steel I have is this 1-inch thick bar stock, about 1x6. And we're gonna cut a piece out, drill a hole, and put a set screw in for our drive bar. And we're gonna drill another hole and put a bar through that'll go into our faceplate. Yep. I believe that was the worst bandsaw cut I've ever made. Have you ever been to the point where you have the side project that doesn't really matter, but it does matter, and it just seems like everything goes wrong? Anyway, we're still going to make this work. We're going to square it up a little bit in the milling machine, pop our holes in, drill and tap the set screws, and then we should be done. Yes, and since our last video, I had my father come up and install this power feed that I've had here for a year. So thanks, Dad. Glad you're back from Florida. And now it's so much nicer. Anyway, back to the show. Okay, we hogged off the top, covered my sin of porter band cutting, and we're going to flip it. We'll do the same to the top, and we're going to go a little slower because it'll be sticking up further out of the vise, and it won't have as much stability. Okay, we've got our block all squared up, and I don't know why I center punched these originally. I guess I thought I was going to do a little better job with the portaband, but I got my center finder, electronic center finder this time in here. And we've got our digital readout going. So we're just going to find the center, move it in, quarter of an inch from each side, drill our 2 holes. All right, we have our 2 holes, 5/8, 3/4 inch. The drive bar is actually 700 thousandths, but I want a little extra room anyway. The set screw will lock it all in place. And now we'll flip it, drill and tap it for set screws. Okay, so here's the piece we just machined. One side is going to accept, got a little burr there. This is going to be our drive. And then this bar is what goes inside our receiver. It's cut with 60-degree centers on each end. Now we made this a little oversized. Normally these are V-shaped on one end to tighten up. This particular one, I think what I'm going to do is, in the interest of time, I'm going to machine a little flat here that our set screw would go up against. There. Then this will fit in our lathe, and this will fit into our faceplate. Let's machine this flat. And that's all I need, just to make sure that Lathe Dog isn't going to spin on our shaft here. Well, let's get it all set up and see if it works. Got a little bit of a burr there.